Hey guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how to remove a hood on a 2004 to 2009 Toyota Prius. First, open the driver's side door and pull on the hood latch. At the front of the car under the hood, there's this latch. Pull up and then pull the hood up. And then set this black bar down to keep the hood up. Under the hood, there are 6 black clips that keep this shield up. They look like this, and you could pry them out using a flat tip screwdriver. You may want to hit that clip at different angles until you find the right angle to pry the clip out. Repeat this process a couple more times until all the black clips are out. Pretty much as long as you can lock the screwdriver in, like push it this direction and then pry it out, that's the way to do it. So these 6, I pulled them from here, 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 and here as well. After pulling the heat shield down, we have access to the windshield washer hose. Just pull it apart where the Y meets the other hose. You can either use pliers or a wrench. You just have to pull these clips together and then push it through this hole, and that releases the windshield washer cable. And using a 12mm socket on a ratchet like this, you're able to remove these 4 other bolts, which bolt the hood to the hood hinges. So now I'm just going to loosen 2 of the bolts. I'm not going to go all 4 because I don't want it to go smashing down into the windshield, you know? That's not going to be a good thing. Let's take this one, alternate by going on this side. With 2 bolts out of the way, as I'm loosening this bolt, I want to be holding on the hood as well, so this hood doesn't come smashing into the part under it. I'm holding onto it like this, and we're going to let the hood down slowly. And as we loosen the final bolt, I want to make sure that I'm holding on the hood once again to make sure it doesn't smash into the glass and the parts under it. So notice here, the hood latch is down. We're going to have to lift this bar up, and then we can remove the whole hood. So that's how you remove a hood from a 2004 to 2009 Prius. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.